The reason for that is that early experiences dramatically affect and shape the brain. Our brain is what's called an experience-dependent organ. Your brain is influenced by experiences, and much of brain development occurs after birth. So early experiences affect what connections occur among different parts of the brain, whether they occur, and how strong they are. So the child's ability, for example, to control or regulate their emotions is determined by the strength of connections between certain brain parts, and early experiences affect that.
So, because the brain is so closely tied to all of these things, is it possible that poor attachment can affect the way the child performs in school?
You can sort of think of it this way. We have a limited amount of mental energy. If it's bound up in anxiety and fear about safety and security, or bound up with all of the negative experiences that are still coloring the child's life, there's less of that available for things like learning, memorizing, problem solving academically. The other way that it can be profoundly affected is because these early experiences affect different connections among the components of the brain. The child's ability to move information from working memory to short-term memory to long-term memory to permanent memory can also be impaired. And then a third way is that children who've experienced chronic early maltreatment, their stress response system is always activated. And the stress response system is focused on survival. So these early experiences keep the child's survival brain constantly activated, and the learning brain not so much.
So it sounds like problems with attachment can be really serious.